Hello everyone, did you know that you can generate your CV free and easily in 8 minutes only? Yes, it's very possible. Just visit your browser, right? Search for www.igttechcollege or get link under description of this video. Then follow step by step. Don't skip any step in this video. Just watch video till end. You will be able to build your own CV free in 8 minutes only. This is website. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then check here. Scroll down again. Check here on CV generator. CV generator. See here, CV generator here. Click on it. You can use your phone, your mobile phone, or PC, no problem. So just here, wait for network or refresh page. Just refresh page. Yeah, you see. So at this left side, edit your details. See. Then at the right side is for output CV. Do you understand? So here we're gonna upload our image. Here, upload your own image. Yes, this image. For example, use your full name here. Example, full name. Continue. See on the right hand. You see enter full name. Example of your law. CO. That's the example. About you. So you can change, you can enter everything. Just copy and paste your information. So you can change everything here. Enter full information about you. Example. Yes. As you see, that is an example. Just enter your information. It's free of charge, no payment. That is example. You can put your information as I told you before. Then scroll down. You see? Scroll down. Contact information. You can put your own information. Let me continue. Use the example x6. Your email address or contact link. Enter. Here. Email address or what? Your country. Location. You can put anything you want. Just your information. Your full informations. Your country. Website www.example.com. Put your own website or a link to your profile or social media profile. www.example.com. If you don't have original website with that domain, no problem, you can paste link. But for profession, you must get a website. But if you don't have it, don't worry. So skills, you can delete skills or add skills. See here, see add items. Enter your skills. Scroll down to this add item. You can add even language. You can delete a language or add a language. See, add item, let me put French. Yeah, then scroll down or delete, just customize it. Then scroll down to project. You can delete a project or add a new project. www.example.com. Available on Play Store. You can change this. It depends which you want to enter here. So you can delete or add. WhatsApp number, anything you can change. Anything here you can change. Reference or WhatsApp info, what you can change everything as you want. You can delete, you can add. So work experience, you can add work experience holder or delete. You scroll down, go to, you see we added items. You can delete, no problem, or add. As long as you still have information to add, you can add item. You can add information here. That's just add your information, your info. Already our CV is generated easily. So as you see on output, we have best designed CV. So the next step is just to download CV only. No payment, no what. It's free. You can add even education. Yeah, let me add some education. Add education. Enter your education information here. You can add as long as you want. Enter, that is just an example. Add scores, add the description information about your education. Your scores information here. Already, then we're going to press on download PDF button. See? You see finished. All information we added is here on output or preview. Then go to download button to get your ready CV. You can add education, you can add everything. As I told you, everything is customizable here. Don't worry, just put your information. Then go to download button. Or information. Click download PDF. Choose your location. Then save. Enter example CV. That's your name. Location. Then save to download. See? Downloaded successfully. So you can even support this tool so that it may continue be free for all users. You can support through this method. You can enter your amount you want. Just tool is free, but you can support tools. So as you see, you can put in any amount you want just to support this tool. See, CV generator. So let us check our CV, our downloaded CV. Click here, then open it in browser. That's PDF document. You see all successful change as we need. We added it. Enter full name, what's, enter full information. Everything is okay and it is best designed CV. You can post it anywhere. You can take it anyway. It's just best and secure. Okay, let me believe that this tool will help you if you want to build or generate your CV free and easily. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. You can even contact us through here. Contact us if you have any problem. You can contact us. We can even help you. You can contact us through WhatsApp, email, and Facebook.